In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer statements in QuickBooks Online. We'll go through the full process of turning on and customizing your statement settings first, and then I'll show you how to create statements for a single customer or for multiple customers at the same time. This is useful if you want to send customers a clear summary of what they owe, or simply keep your accounts receivable organized. To get started, go to the Settings menu in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. From there, open Account and Settings, and then click on the Sales tab. This is where you'll find the options related to customer-facing sales documents, including statements. Once you're in the Statements section, you'll be able to choose how you want the information to appear. You can decide whether statements should list individual transactions separately or group them together. The best choice depends on how much detail you want your customers to see. If you want each invoice, payment, or credit to appear clearly on its own, individual transactions may be the better option. If you prefer a cleaner and more summarized layout, grouping may work better. You'll also have the option to show an aging table. This can be very helpful because it gives customers a quick breakdown of overdue balances by time period, making it easier for them to understand what is current and what may be past due. After choosing the options that fit your needs, click Save and then click Done. Next, go to the left-hand menu and click All Apps. From there, select Customer Hub. This area gives you access to your customer records and makes it easy to manage statements and related actions. Once you're inside the Customer Hub, go to Customers and Leads. Here you'll see your customer list. Find the customer you want to create a statement for, then click the caret icon next to that customer's name. From the drop-down menu, select Create Statement. QuickBooks will then open the statement setup for that customer, allowing you to move forward with the statement creation process. If you need to create statements for more than one customer, QuickBooks also gives you a batch option. Simply check the boxes next to multiple customers in the list. After selecting them, click Batch Actions at the top of the page, and then choose Create Statements. This is a real time saver when you need to generate several statements at once. And that's it. Once your settings are configured, creating customer statements in QuickBooks Online is quick and straightforward.